Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are having a good day ahead, or maybe some of you watch this in the night. So, before I start, I want to say that today what you can do is take some rose water and have a bath with the rose water. I feel a lot of energies of yours are stuck and you are feeling, I don't know, I was just pulling the cards and it was taking some time for me to shuffle and put. So, I felt some of you over there have some energies which is very mix matching and you're not understanding the reason behind it. Also, today, if possible, if some of you get the time in the evening when you're coming back, pick up two pomegranates, two apples, and two oranges and keep it in your altar. Basically, this is a tip for abundance and happiness to come. Offer it to the gods. Totally, it should be a count of six. So, as I said, two oranges, two apples, and two pomegranates, and these three are also, if you see, fruits related to abundance. And if you have a red candle, very well and good, or else burn even a white candle. Now in that white candle, what you can do is you can sprinkle, you can apply little bit of honey and sprinkle cinnamon powder. This is easily available in everyone's home, and just burn it and ask the gods and goddesses that, tell them, I make this offering to you all, to the divine, to the white light, to the gods and goddesses, that I am blessed with abundance. My family is blessed with happiness and good health, and I am always getting all the blessings from the divine. So in that ways, what will happen is your house will be blessed with happiness and abundance. I hope you all like this tip. If you like it, let me know, so that as and when I get time, I shall bring more tips. So let's go towards the reading now. Page of wands. So today, work wise, it's going to be good. You are already having a lot of work, but I feel some new work coming in, a new project coming in, something which will make you happy. Or if there is no project coming, but it will come very very soon, maybe within the upcoming moon phase, this will change and something new is coming. Or if you're expecting some project to come, then you can get it within the upcoming moon phase. The next card which is come is the Seven of Wands. So basically, overall, work and work today. You will be trying to see what all you need to do in terms of your work. Maybe that is the reason why I asked you all to do the abundance tip in the starting itself today, to do it in the evening. So maybe try that. And today, I feel the color should be orange because it is more work related. So either wear orange or wear something as yellowish orange today. And also, if possible, feed some animal or some poor person today, with the intent that whatever work is stuck, whatever obstacles are happening because of which your work is not moving forward, that starts moving forward and thing starts coming in your favor. There is also something called as the Vishnu Mudra, which helps in releasing our energies and balancing our body in such a way that we are able to attract the opportunities that we want. You can easily Google and you will find how a Vishnu Mudra is done. Maybe you can, in the evening when you're keeping the fruits, sit in front of the altar and do the Vishnu Mudra, and you can even put in any Vishnu mantra and you can hear it, and I'm sure it is going to bring in a lot of abundance, good health, and happiness. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.